Assalamu alaikum. Today's tutorial is going to be about creating 3D intro videos, 3D intro text. 3D text, most people will think that will be limited to either 3D Max or bigger professional softwares, but I'm going to tell you about one website, panzoid.com. I will leave the link in the description below. That website lets you create small intro videos, outro videos, subscription clips for your YouTube channels or for your presentations, whatever you like, and then let you download those as video files and MKV. And these you can then add to your videos to add more professional effect and give a flashy intro to your viewers of the videos. This website is very easy to use. This tutorial will not be going into all the details of the tools available on the website, but will be limited to how to quickly pick up any of the ready-made templates that are available there, which the users create themselves and share with everyone as for open use. And you can then edit the text in it and quickly make your own video within 5 minutes. So I will be covering two sample tutorials in it, two sample clips that I will create. One for the clips which have combined text and it is easier to actually edit them in one go, or a second tutorial in which sometimes all the alphabets are separately displayed because they want to give a different rotation or different effects to those texts. So I will show you how to edit the text for both the cases and then make your own video. Let's go.
Now I'm on the website panzoid.com. This is the website which I will be using to edit any existing template and easily make a 3D text intro video, outro video, whichever you want for your YouTube channel or presentations. So you will see some of the current creations by other users here. If you want to see more creations, click the more creations and you will see a lot more templates, and of course you can keep scrolling and you can keep finding more and more templates that have been created by others. Once you select a template that you are happy with, for example, I'm going to take this which is called intro template for fake. Once you click it, you will see a button which is called open in clip maker. The maker's name you can follow. Once you have created a login, you can follow someone's creations if you like what they have been doing. What you will be learning here is just the text editing, not the others particle effects or images that you can add into it. So once you want to see how this actually looks or test out the template, always remember to click this eye icon, which means toggle render preview. So if you click this button, this is actually what the final video will look like. Let me play. So you have seen the template. Now what I see here is he's using 4 alphabets and each alphabet is rotating independently. So if I want to edit this, you will see that in the text these will be each separate letters because everything is being animated separately. These kind of animations are harder to edit, but of course you can. But if you want something simple, then try the ones initially to learn. Those templates in which the whole word is being rotated together, those will be easier, but I will show you how to edit this. So if you go to on the left side, this is your main window, and here you will see some other templates as well as properties, and these are your main tools. The most important one you will have to go to is this objects button. Once you click objects, then you will see different objects that are stored in this one, and the one I'm interested in is the text options. So keep scrolling until you see the text options. So I can see here that this is the first letter F. As I said, that it will not be fake altogether, but it will be letters separately. So for example, I want to change fake to game, so then I will change the letter F to G. And also what you will notice is that sometimes the text will be repeated multiple times. This is because of the background. So for example, here if you see, A has an outline, K has an outline, E has multiple outlines. So each outline can be given different colors, different sizes, different depths to create a certain effect. So whenever you are changing, always remember to change all the letters or all the multiple repeats of the same word. So I changed A, I'm going to keep, K I'm going to change to M, again I'm changing all the letters so that all its outlines, all the words have been changed. Now let me render it. Let's see it all over again.
I found peace in your vibes. I've been quiet for too long. I've been quiet.
As you can see that very quickly I changed fake to game, and now I can even make a duplicate copy of any of these alphabets. So all the movement, or I can go up to the whole group and make a duplicate of this group and just slightly move it, because its positions I can adjust, and then have more letters appear here. So once I'm happy with my creation, I'm not going to go into details of all the tools available here. This tutorial is going to be limited to quickly editing the text in an existing template. So all you need to know is how to edit objects and view the video in render. Once you are happy with your creation, you can go to the download, and then there are different settings to download this as a video file. If you want quick rendering, you're just using it for temporary means. Fastest render is the best option, but if you are really keen about good quality video, then I recommend that you go for good quality, or by default you can choose balanced video quality. There are two formats that are supported by this: MKV, very famous video format, or the web open format, which is WebM. For example, I'm going to select MKV file and start the video render. Now this video is getting rendered and being prepared as an MKV file. Once it is ready to be downloaded, you will see buttons like this that you can return to editing or download your video. So for example, I will click download. So it will give you the option to save the video file, and now I have saved the video file. So in this way you can download your creations. Let me return to Panzoid website to show you one more template before closing this tutorial. Let me edit this one. I will click again, open in Clipmaker. I'm going to render it. So once you are happy that this is the template you are going to, or you can change any other template from these samples here, or go back to main website and edit. Now in this one, as you can see, the whole thing is together, so it's more easier to edit this. So for example, I'm going to say skills by Karar, and the same text I'm going to be using here. Always remember to press enter after you're done. So now skills by Karar, I'm going to do a little bit more editing on this. So for example, I want to change its size as well to fit the screen. So I can click and drag this height to actually change the height or thickness or size, bevel size. So I'm going to change these all to what I think should be the size that I want on the screen. And now if I these are very simple editing that we can do to the text and create my video file. And once you're happy with the video, if not, change the template. If you're not happy with the music, you can change the music, select an audio file, select the fade in fade out durations, change the camera angles, add particle effects, so change the background. So there are many tools available here, and it's a very quick tool to create 3D text that you want, and then download your video file. Once it's ready, for once the rendering is complete, it will give you a download button, and in that way you can easily create 3D animated text intros for your videos. Hope that was an easy tutorial for you. Very good website, panzoid.com. So if you have any problems in using it, please leave a comment and I will be sure to check it and help you out if you're stuck. Thank you for your time. See you next time.